are you doing? No, I'm not from Brooklyn. I'm not from Brooklyn, guys. I'm from Brazil. All right. Hey guys, today I'm gonna make a video, and that's gonna be for chili lovers. All right? That's right. Anyway, you guys can see here. All this is the preparation. This is what I'm gonna need to make this dish. All right? Looks good, right? Anyway, so we have here 4 onions. We have 4 peppers, green pepper. We have the whole head of garlic, and we have oregano. We have salt. I love this salt, but you guys can use any salt you want. This is chili powder. Yes, chili powder. That's the main ingredient we need to do this dish. All right. So we have oil. You guys can use any oil you want. All right. And we have here black pepper. I love black pepper. If you guys doesn't like it, you guys don't have to use. We have 3 cans of tomato sauce. Yes. And we have 3 cans of the red kidney beans. I love it. All right. So, okay, guys, let's start this preparation. All right. First, I'm gonna get my oil. All right. My oil is a little hot here. Okay, I can grab like this. All right. All right. Looks good. All right. So now I'm gonna let heat. Okay, I'm gonna let get hot. Okay. So I think it's ready. Yeah, I think the oil is very hot now. So let's do the garlic. All right. Oh yes, it's ready. I can here the garlic. All right. And this is hot. Okay, guys. Now let's see if it's ready. Oh yes, my garlic is ready. So let's do the next step. All right. I have 2.5 of sharp meat. All right, guys, sharp meat. All right, 2.5 pounds. Okay, let's drop this baby here. All right, sounds good. Gabash. All right, so let's do this. All right. Okay, let's saute. All right. Hey guys. All right, let's see if my sharp meat is ready. All right, let's go. Oh yes, it's ready. It's ready. Looks good. Looks good. All right, guys. Next step. Next step, we're gonna go with salt. All right, salt. You guys can see here. I'm gonna put just a handful of salt. You guys can put whatever you want. Okay, I'm gonna put a handful, but maybe I'm gonna add it later. You guys check if you guys need more salt. All right, so next step, it's gonna be my beans. All right, really doesn't matter, guys. It really doesn't matter which one goes first, or this, it doesn't matter, because everything's gonna be together anyway. So, all right, so let's put the beans. Looks good. So we're gonna use 3 of them. All right. So this is the next one. All right. Good. Okay. 3. Looks good, guys. Looks very good. Don't be afraid. Okay, guys. Now, let's go to the next step. All right. Maybe 3 cans of tomato sauce. Right? That looks good. Wow, that's gonna bring the flavor together. You know, let's pour. Yes, very good. All right, it's looking good. It's looking good. Next step is the green pepper. All right, guys, green pepper. There's 4 green peppers and 4 onions. Look how the color looks here. You see that? Color looks good. Nice combination. All right. I love the smell. The garlic and the onions. Okay, guys. Next step, it's gonna be oregano. All right. You don't have to put much. Just a little bit. Just see that? That's it. Right. Now it's gonna be the main recipe. All right. That the chili powder. All right. The chili powder. I like to use. Okay, hold on a second. Okay, here. Chili powder. Let's put like. 1, 2, 3, and 4 tablespoons. All right. All right, that looks good. If you need more, just add it. All right. And the next one, black pepper. If you guys like, I love it. So we put the way you want. I love pepper, so I put a lot of pepper. So now let's stir this. Look at this, how nice it looks. You see that, guys? It's gonna bring the flavor together. And let me tell you something. This has to be cooked for at least 3 hours. All right? But if you need more, just let it cook more. But I think 3 hours it's plenty. But this has to be cooked low, all right, low or medium. So that would be good. So it has to be, it's a slow process, right? So it has to be, and after that, okay, after that, just cover and should be ready in 3 hours. All right, guys? Hold on a second. See you guys in a little bit. All right, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. All right, guys. Cheers. Hey guys, how you doing? All right, so now it's time to check the chili. All right, so let me see here. Okay, let's check the chili. Whoa, that looks good. Looks very good. It's still cooking. All right, looks good. All right, still cooking. It's almost ready. But now I'm gonna do the rice. All right, the rice. Yes, the white rice. So let's do it. All right. First, put some oil. You can see it's not much. All right. All right, the oil. All right. Okay, guys. Now, next step. Okay, I have here 6 cloves of garlic. All right, 6. So, all right. Sounds good. Okay, sounds good to me. All right. All right. Let's saute the rice. All right. So now, next step, it's gonna be the rice. Okay, the rice, I have 6 cups of rice. All right, so now it's ready. So let's put the rice. All right, this rice is gonna taste delicious. All right, it's gonna taste good. It's gonna be yummy. All right. So now I have the salt. the salt I give a full, like this. See that? If you need more, you just add it. Okay, now let's saute the rice. All right. So you saute the rice. Looks good. Okay. Now I have 8 cups of water. All right, 8 cups of water. Right, this rice is gonna taste very good. Okay, guys, now there's the other 4 cups. All right, so total is 8 cups of water. All right. Whoa, that looks good. That looks good to me. All right, so now I'm gonna let cook in medium. All right. So when the water starts to go down, like almost, you know, almost down, and you put very low and let it finish. Okay, now I cover here. So now I'm gonna reduce. It was on high, but now I'm gonna reduce to medium. All right, and let's cook. All right, see you soon. Woo, guys! All right, so it's good. Okay, all right, looks good. Woo! That's it, guys. The finished product. All right, here you go. Chili and rice. All right. So now, guys, I'm gonna show you how you guys gonna eat this, right? Because I'm sure a lot of people doesn't know that. All right, especially people from different countries. Okay. So what you do is you get the rice, put in your plate. Okay, I'm gonna put just a little bit here. Okay, and you get the chili, the top. All right. Now put the cheese. All right. So just help yourself. And, I like a lot of cheese. So, all right. So I think it looks good. You guys can keep whatever you want. All right. What you want. So that's good. And let me get just. All right. Okay. Look at this. That's how you eat chili. All right. So let me see how it is. This is called the real chili, right, guys? So you put in your mouth, it's the flavor comes right away. Delicious. Hey guys, one thing I want to say to you: when you cook the rice, when you put the water, just cook in medium. And when the water starts to go away, like half it's out already, and you lower the rice, all right? And let cook until it's ready, all right? Hey guys, don't be afraid, all right? Don't be afraid. Okay guys, you guys have a good weekend, all right? Love you all. Cheers.